Hey everybody, it's Stacy. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be filming in my Carpe Diem A5 ring bound planner using a kit from my shop called Good Vibes. I'm going to be planning for the week of March 5th to the 11th, and I'm going to be using this kit. So these are the full boxes. We got the arrows, weekend banner, habit trackers, bill dues, and some flags. Heart checklist, sidebar, canceled, rescheduled, and some functional, more functional washi strips, bottom washi, date covers, 3 heart checklists, teardrops, scallop box, headers, little things, sidebar headers, half boxes, quarter boxes, flag quarter boxes, and icons. Ooh. So I am so excited to be using this kit, but before we start, I want to show you what last week's is looking like so far. I used this flower child kit from my shop, and oh, it is gorgeous. Like, I am in love. It's very, very springy, and I love it. So I hope you guys liked it too. I will leave the link of that video in my comment section down below. But let's just get started. So we'll start, no, sorry, I'm like lost. Let's start with the bottom washi. So how are you guys doing today? I am so happy. It's Friday for me today, so it's like the weekend. Sorry, the weekend, and it's very exciting. There we go. If you watched my Erin Condren video, you know that I'm wanted to use some green kits this week because it's March. Okay, so now let's do my sidebar, and I'm gonna use this quote box right at the top. It says Good Vibes. There we go. And I'm gonna put some washi strips in between my habit trackers. So I think I finally figured out what stuff in my sidebar is working for me. Finally, it took me so long, although I'm sure I'll change it again. I think people are forever changing their sidebar stuff because every plan with me that I watch, people are like, I'm gonna try this week. And I didn't understand, I didn't understand it till I started doing it myself. Okay, so now I'm gonna do a to clean header. Actually, I think I'm gonna start at the bottom. I did that last week and it worked really good. So let's do this green weekly bar at the bottom, and then dinner's label or header. And then we'll do to clean. With a 3 heart checklist. And odds and ends. I hope that the color comes, or the glare isn't too bad on here. I'm using a glossy kit, and I hope it turns out okay. And we'll do another 3 heart checklist for that. There we go. So that's my sidebar. I like it. Okay, we're gonna move on to Monday. So, I'm gonna start actually with my today headers across the top. I've been liking, oh man. I have to be so careful. I'm so not used to glossy, guys. But we'll get there. Okay, so today headers across the top. I've been liking putting these down just to cover up that dark section. I used washi in my Erin Condren, but this green is very, very different, and I just don't have a lot of washi, so I didn't have anything to cover it up this week. So we'll keep doing this. And then I'll just leave the weekend alone so I can put my weekend banner there. Okay, so for Monday, I'm gonna start with a half box like always because it's my cleaning day. Sorry guys, my dog is barking. He's sitting outside. Okay, so cleaning day, so I'm gonna put the spray bottle on this half box here, and then I'm gonna do my to-do list right away. And we'll do this pink color. There we go. Okay, so on Monday, I want to put down that there's a couple things that I want to do for my daughter's birthday. So before I did a to call, okay, sorry, before I get ahead of myself, let's do a full box. And then I'm gonna put a to call header at the bottom. And then I'll use one of these 3-heart checklists. So just some stuff I wanna get ready for her birthday next week. Cute. Okay, so Tuesday, I'm gonna keep on the trend of the little things at the bottom. I've been really liking that. So $2 Tuesday. And then on Tuesday is also America's Next Top Model. So let's do TV. Oh, that's not TV. This guy. TV little thing for that. And it's gonna be my work day. So let's do, I'm gonna do a little bit different this day. I'm gonna take this checklist and put it down a little bit. And then I'm gonna take these work script stickers from my shop and I'm gonna layer it up there. So I know like that's my list for work. Those are the things that I wanna get done. And then on Tuesday, I also wanna make sure that I meal plan. So let's take a quarter box for that. And then there is a meal plan sticker in the kit. Here we go. I'm gonna put this here because I have to wash my sheets. Here we go. And I'm gonna put a full box down. There we go. And honestly, that's all I have for Tuesday so far. So we're gonna move on to Wednesday. I'm gonna do my full box right away. Do I wanna put 2 whites beside each other? Oh, come on, no, 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 no. No. Ah, okay. Guys, these glossy stickers scare me. I know other people that just love them, but I'm gonna have to get used to them. Okay, so Wednesday I got my full box. I wanna put that my A5 plan with me is gonna be live. So let's do a little thing down here. And I wanna make sure that Wednesday, grocery shopping day, sorry. So let's do a quarter box for that. And then I'm gonna use from my shop my grocery shopping stickers. There we go. And then I'll do my to-do list right away. And oh, I want to get decorations. That's the other thing I want to do. So I'm going to do a quarter box. And then a little shopping cart sticker for that. Cute. Sorry, on Tuesday I forgot that I wanted to put that I'm gonna work out. So let's take these workout stickers from my shop, and I think this green is pretty, it's close enough for me, so I'm gonna put it there. The little shoe. Okay, let's go on to Thursday. Thursday is also gonna be another work day, so I think I'm gonna do the same thing that I did on Tuesday. Take my full checklist a little bit down, and then take this work script sticker. There. And then I'm gonna do this full box because I almost wrecked it. I hope it stays. Okay, Thursday is payday. Oh, awesome. Let's do at the bottom. Let's do an arrow, and then I have a payday sticker in the kit. That there. And on Thursday is also a workout day, so let's take some arrows, and then I'm going to take these workout script stickers again. Oh, not just script, sorry, just workout stickers, and put that green dumbbell in there. And on Thursday, that is it. So I'm just going to take some washi strip just to cover that up. And then if more things come up, I can add them. So that's the first half of the week so far. I think it's really cute. I like it. So let's move on to the second half. So Friday is garbage day. So I'm going to take some arrows, and then I'm going to take the garbage can from the kit to mark that. Also, it is new release day, so I'm going to take the clock little thing at the bottom, and that is basically all I know so far. So let's do my checklist. So I'll do this to-do header here, and then I'll add my checklist, and then I'll put my full box at the bottom. There, and I'll just put some washi on top here. There, it's not much, but that's all I know so far for Friday. For Saturday and Sunday, I'm gonna put this pink washi strips at the top for my weekend banner. And then I'll just put the weekend banner. So cute. So cute. Okay, let's do a full box right here. And then on Saturday is going to be a big cleaning day. So I'm going to take a half box for that. And let's see. Let's do this little home sticker here. Just, I got lots of cleaning to do, so we will do that. I'm gonna work on the basement, like the walls and stuff. And then I'm gonna do my to-do list. Oops, sorry. We'll do this dark green header and then a pink to-do list. There. So Sunday is church, and I'm going to take these church stickers from my shop, and I'll use the green ones. And then I'm going to do my to-do list right away. Let's do the dark green. And then on Sunday, I also want to mark that it's spring forward. So let's take a quarter box for that. And I'm going to take the alarm clock here for the kit. And I want to work out this day. So let's do my full box first. And then I'm going to take these workout stickers again, and I'll use this green scale. There. I think that is it. So this is my spread so far. I'm now gonna go in and take, let's see here. Let's do Etsy there. Friday, I have to always paint my nails. Sunday's lazy day. And we can put this guy there. Okay, so now I'm going to put my date covers on. I'm going to fill everything in using my Tombow calligraphy pen again, and I'll be right back. Alright, welcome back everybody. So I have filled everything in, and I just want to note that I added a teeny little thing here for another video of mine for my next week. And this is it. I think it's really pretty. I love all the pinks and all the greens. It's very pretty together. I like it a lot. And I'm gonna add this little bow clip that I made for myself to the top of it just to add a little something. See there? And so I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. Leave any comments you have down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!